Well, that was a great weekend. Just locked up. Now on our way home. I think we're stopping for somewhere to get breakfast on the way. But I'm relying on the two Welsh lads to show us where we're going.
Custom airbrush running down his side. 1/116 cubic inches, ready for the road. I'm a global rider, full of pride. Rode out slow and steady, felt the engine breathe. Thunder and me is one now, nothing up my sleeve. Just the open road ahead of us, just the miles to run. Homeward bound on thunder.
So, on South Wales, we've got so many 20-mile-an-hour speed limits, only because the amount of potholes they've got. The roads are atrocious. But yeah, every 5 minutes, 20 mile an hour, 20 mile an hour. And then you hit a pothole and then it takes you off the way. I think that's why they got so many 20 mile an hour limits, because of the potholes. So we stopped off to get a quick cup of tea in Where are we?
This is Abergavenny.
Abergavenny. We're stopped for a cup of tea in Abergavenny, and the British Army's just turned up. I mean, this is our entire force that Starmer's left us. Oh, still there, there's more coming in.
Alright, I see. Yeah. That's something to go to, you won't be happy with that.
Huh?
It's in July, look. It's a show, they're just going around now and advertising it. So.
No, yeah.
that makes a broken man feel whole. Homeward bound on thunder, black man in the sun. Homeward bound on thunder until the miles are done. 116 of power beneath these hands of mine. Homeward bound on thunder, everything is fine. Slow burn inside. Black man.
So we had to be done. We were on our way home and I spotted Raglan. So I will put in a picture 5 years ago and just take an update one. Yeah, beautiful castle. Looks like they got something on today, but they kindly let us up into the car park to take photos of the last castle of the weekend, and according to Nick, the last castle ever. Too right.
Mile of flag unfurled on 116 of thunder, rumbling in my chest of all the miles and all the roads. This machine gave me his best. There is something about this machine that gets inside your soul. Something about the way he rose that makes a broken man feel whole. Thunder and me forever on every road we find. Homeward bound together, leaving nothing behind. Homeward bound on thunder, black man in the sun. Homeward bound on thunder until the miles are done. 116 of power beneath these hands of mine. Homeward bound on thunder, everything is fine. Homeward bound on thunder, IMRGlobal strong. Homeward bound on thunder, where we both belong. Custom paint and open road, special bond to find. Homeward bound on thunder, leaving nothing behind. Thunder rolling homeward, black mad in the light. Thunder rolling homeward, morning, noon, and night. Black mad thunder, thunder sitting in the morning light. Custom airbrush running down the side. Black mad thunder sitting in the morning light. Custom airbrush running down the side. Black mad thunder sitting in the morning light. Custom airbrush running down the side.
Just got home. Epic weekend. So I didn't check my mileage as I went. So I'm now on 46,788. So I'll check that with what I said earlier in the video, and below is going to be a bit of how many miles we've done each day. So we left the property about 8 o'clock, no, 9 o'clock this morning. Stopped off for something to eat, and you'll see we saw some army vehicles, Dad's army, and then me and Nick came straight back to Cornwall. So it's now, oh, forget me clock is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, not a bad run.
beneath the Welsh sky, Denbigh standing